Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're all keeping well. Today, I'm just going to talk briefly about implant planning and guided surgery. A question I get asked a lot is it possible to take control of an implant workflow in-house? Can I plan my implant case, but also manufacture the surgical guide to which I'm going to follow for the surgery? And the simple answer is yes. The software and the tools are there available to you. If you already have an intraoral scanner, you're almost there. If you don't, then you require either an intraoral scanner or an STL file. Once you have that, you can twin this with some implant planning software, which will enable you to plan the case, but also design a surgical guide for guided surgery. Once you have that guide designed, you need to send it to a 3D printer to print it out. And the good news is there are a lot of 3D printers on the market with biocompatible materials to generate these surgical guides. And really, once you have that, you're able to control that workflow in-house completely yourself. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, please reach out to me directly at tom.goldsmith@henryschein.co.uk, or alternatively, please book an appointment on our website and a digital specialist or myself will get in contact with you and we can have a more in-depth discussion about your requirements and then maybe provide an online demonstration. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.